Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate Team. We're at 148 3rd Street, Unit 317. This luxury penthouse condo offers great views of the marina and in the wintertime, great views of the skating rink. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you enter, you'll walk into the grand foyer leading in to the renovated gourmet kitchen. The kitchen is open to the living and dining areas. The dreamy primary bedroom has 2 closets and a 4-piece ensuite. There's an additional spacious bedroom with 2 closets and a 3-piece ensuite effect bathroom. There's in-suite laundry. There's also a den currently being used as a 3rd bedroom. A great feature is the balcony with great views of the park and the waterfront. There's also a dedicated underground parking space and a locker.